Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kitab Shala, a series crafted for talented and ambitious individuals keen on boosting their wisdom and knowledge portfolio. If diving into books feels like a challenge, you are in the right place. Today I will break down the 7 key lessons from the book Memory in under 7 minutes. Memory by William Walker Atkinson offers a fascinating exploration into the intricacies of human memory and methods to enhance it. Atkinson, renowned for his works in self-improvement and the mind, skillfully navigates readers through the astounding capabilities of their memory. The book stands out for its clear and accessible writing style, catering to individuals keen on improving cognitive skills and refining memory function. Beyond delving into the science of memory, the author goes a step further for providing practical tips and insights that readers can readily apply. Whether you seek a deeper understanding of memory or aspire to unlock its full potential, this book serves as an invaluable resource, blending knowledge with ease of comprehension. It acts as a comprehensive guide, offering a practical roadmap for cognitive enhancement and optimal memory performance. Here are 7 amazing lessons from this book. Lesson number 1. Understanding memory mechanics. In author's exploration of this lesson, the author delves into the intricate workings of human memory. He explains how our minds encode, store, and retrieve information, detailing the roles of sensory, short-term, and long-term memory. By understanding these mechanisms, readers gain insights into improving memory retention and recall. The author emphasizes techniques such as mnemonic devices, repetition, and association to enhance memory capabilities. This foundational knowledge empowers readers to optimize cognitive functions and improve learning efficiency. By mastering memory mechanics, individuals can better manage information overload, learn new skills effectively, and maintain mental agility. Understanding the nuances of memory mechanics lays the groundwork for lifelong learning and cognitive enhancement. Lesson number 2. Techniques for improved recall. The author introduces practical techniques in memory mechanics designed to enhance recall. Readers learn mnemonic devices, memory aids, and exercises tailored to improve remembering names, facts, and other vital information. By offering actionable strategies, the author empowers individuals to strengthen their memory recall abilities, providing tools applicable in daily life. The focus is on equipping readers with effective methods to retrieve information efficiently, contributing to overall cognitive enhancement. These techniques include visualization, association, and structured repetition, enhancing memory retention. Understanding and applying these strategies not only boosts recall but also supports lifelong learning and mental agility. Mastering these recall techniques allows individuals to navigate information-rich environments with greater ease and confidence. Lesson number 3. Developing concentration skills. The author underscores the critical link between concentration and memory enhancement, offering exercises and tips in memory. The book explores how improved focus contributes to better memory retention and recall. By honing concentration skills, readers can stay focused on tasks and information, enhancing cognitive abilities. Practical insights include mindfulness practices, minimizing distractions, and structured study techniques. The author guides readers to cultivate heightened concentration, crucial for mastering complex subjects and retaining information effectively. Developing these skills supports lifelong learning and boosts your productivity. By strengthening concentration, individuals can navigate information overload with clarity and efficiency, fostering a sharper mind and improve overall cognitive performance. Lesson number 4. Visualization for memory enhancement. The author emphasizes the power of visualization in this book as a tool for enhancing the memory. The book guides readers on using mental imagery to create vivid associations, making it easier to remember and retrieve the information. By harnessing visualization techniques, the author offers a practical approach to improving memory capabilities. This involves creating mental pictures or associations that serve as a strong memory cues, enhancing the ability to recall information more effectively. Visualization engages the brain's spatial and visual centers, aiding in memory retention and retrieval. By incorporating visualization into learning and daily routines, individuals can strengthen their memory skills and optimize cognitive performance as well. This technique not only enhances learning efficiency but also fosters creativity and problem-solving abilities too. Lesson number 5. Effective learning strategies. The author explores effective learning strategies in this book, focusing on maximizing memory retention. The book provides practical advice on studying effectively, including techniques to organize information for better recall. He emphasizes creating a conducive learning environment, recognizing its impact on the learning process. By combining effective study methods with organizational approaches, readers are equipped to enhance their learning experience and memory retention. The emphasis is on cultivating habits and environment that supports optimal information acquisition and retention. These strategies include active learning, spaced repetition, and retrieval practice, enhancing long-term memory. By applying these techniques consistently, individuals can improve their learning efficiency and mastery of new subjects, fostering continuous personal growth and development. Lesson number 6. Overcoming forgetfulness. Author Atkinson addresses common challenges like forgetfulness in this book, exploring its causes and providing practical solutions. The book identifies factors contributing to forgetfulness such as lack of attention or stress and offers actionable steps to mitigate these issues. By understanding the root causes, readers can adopt strategies to improve memory reliability. Author's guidance emphasizing building habits and approaches that support memory resilience such as mindfulness techniques and memory exercise. By implementing these strategies consistently, individuals can enhance their ability to remember and recall important information, reducing instances of forgetfulness. This proactive approach to memory improvement fosters confidence and efficiency in daily tasks and learning endeavors. Lesson number 7. Lifelong memory improvement. In the exploration of lifelong memory improvement, author Atkinson emphasizes that enhancing memory is an ongoing journey. The book guides readers on how to integrate memory-boosting practices into their daily lives, fostering a commitment to continuous improvement and mental agility. By promoting the idea that memory enhancement is a lifelong endeavor, the author encourages readers to cultivate the habits that supports long-term cognitive well-being. The emphasis is on adopting sustainable practices that become integral parts of one's lifestyle, ensuring a persistent commitment to memory improvement throughout the various stages of life. This book, Memory, is not just a book, it's a manual for unlocking the full potential of the mind. William Walker Atkinson's straightforward approach and practical advice make this book an essential read for anyone interested in understanding and enhancing their memory. Whether you are a student, professional, or simply curious about the workings of the mind, this book, Memory, offers valuable tools to sharpen your memory and optimize your cognitive abilities. Think of this book as a treasure chest of knowledge, but here's the twist. It's not just about stuffing your brain. It's about unleashing that wisdom into your life. Books are not just givers, they are transformers. It's not what you take from a book, but what books draws from you. It's time to turn those insights into action. Thank you and see you in the next video.